I started, so I was one of the first students here in Claret School. This was back in 1985. This was under architect Elmer Pato. He's my coach. And when we started here, talagang fresh na fresh pa, no? Taekwondo was really something new for the school. Nandiyan yung the self-defense aspect. Well, Taekwondo is a martial art and a sport at the same time. So, as a martial art, you learn the self-defense techniques.
Good morning. Ako po si Francisco Gubalia, 17 years old. Nag-aaral po ako sa Claret School of Quezon City, first degree black belt. Nagsimula po ako sa grade 6. Kaya pinili ko Taekwondo dahil una, medyo mahina po ako. Kaya suggest ng mom ko, mag-aaral ako ng self-defense. Una, maka-exercise ka maayos. Pangalawa, makatuto ka maging malakas at saka disiplina. Matuto sa mag-aral.
To all the parents, as a parent myself, I would like to invite all the parents, all the families, to consider Taekwondo as one of the sport or an activity that your children may join in the future. For those who are not yet into it, Taekwondo has very specific programs that are geared towards the development of the character.